Hi there, everyone. Teresa Dufour here, and welcome to this edition of Live Workplace, sponsored by Total Mechanical Systems. Russ Dillon, Vice President, is back in the studio. We're talking HVAC systems, and soon we're going to be turning off the heat and getting ready for air conditioning, and that's what HVAC is all about. So, Russ, what are some of the common types of HVAC systems you're seeing in your customers' homes?
So New England is definitely the most diverse. We have everything from furnaces, boilers, oil, gas, propane, heat pumps, and really the new up-and-coming item is ductless.
Sure. And why is it so important to know what type of heating system you have in your home?
Well, you need to go to the right person that's going to send the right technicians out to service it properly and make sure that they're factory trained and have availability to the parts and services that you need.
And Russ, for homeowners, when should they consider replacing the unit? And talk a little bit about maintenance as well.
So replacing HVAC, typically they last between 10 and 20 years. Proper maintenance, yearly maintenance is certainly going to extend that life expectancy. If you start noticing high electric bills or high maintenance costs, then it's really time to start thinking about getting a new unit.
Sure, and you talked about ductless in the beginning, and that's kind of the trendy thing in HVAC. Give us some more details.
Yeah, ductless is definitely becoming more popular over the years. We're the largest carrier ductless dealer in New England, right? So it provides you individual room control, gives you the best bang for the buck when it comes to money spent versus the efficiency and the value. Also dehumidification features, and just provides the best overall comfort.
All right, kind of the way of the future, I guess, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Russ, thanks for all the information. And if you are in need of any HVAC systems, log on to tmscomfort.com and schedule a free consultation. And as always, thanks for joining us for this edition of Live, Work, Play.